In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use daily journaling in Obsidian, transforming your note-taking app into a powerful personal log and reflective space. Obsidian is a fantastic tool for building interconnected knowledge, and establishing a consistent journaling practice within it can unlock incredible insights and boost your productivity. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's dive right in. Step 1 is incredibly simple. Open Obsidian. Launch the Obsidian application on your computer, and then open the vault where you want to keep your journal. A vault is essentially a folder containing all your notes and files within Obsidian. It's your central hub for all your ideas and thoughts. Think of it as your personal library for Obsidian. Now let's move on to step 2. Create a daily notes folder. Inside your Obsidian vault, create a new folder and name it Daily Notes. This folder will serve as the dedicated space for all your journal entries. Keeping your journal isolated like this makes it incredibly easy to find and review your daily thoughts, and it keeps things organized within your broader Obsidian setup. Don't worry, you can always create more folders later if you want to get even more specific with your journaling categories. Next, we need to enable the Daily Notes plugin. Step 3 involves navigating to Settings in Obsidian. Click on the gear icon in the left-hand sidebar. This opens the Settings panel. Then navigate to the Core Plugins section. Here you'll find a list of available plugins. Locate the Daily Notes plugin and click the toggle switch to enable it. This activation is key. The Daily Notes plugin is what actually generates those daily journal notes for you. With the Daily Notes plugin enabled, we need to configure it. Step 4 is straightforward. Set the storage location to your Daily Notes folder. Obsidian will likely prompt you to confirm that you want to store your new daily notes within the Daily Notes folder you just created. Make sure this option is selected. It's what ensures all your daily entries are neatly organized within that dedicated space. You'll also be asked to choose your preferred date format. Stick with the default, it works perfectly well for most people. Now for the magic. Step 5. Create today's note. Open the Daily Notes feature. Obsidian should automatically generate a new note for the current date. This note will serve as your canvas for today's entry. Don't be intimidated, it's just a blank slate and you're in control of what you write. Take a deep breath and start capturing your thoughts. Let's create a structure for your daily journal. Step 6 involves adding sections to your note. Create sections like morning thoughts, tasks, highlights, and reflections. These are just suggestions. Feel free to customize them to fit your own journaling style and needs. Using these sections will help you consistently capture different aspects of your day, making your reviews more efficient. A trick I use is to briefly outline what I expect to accomplish before I begin writing. This often sets the tone for the entire entry. Now that you have a structure, let's put it to use. Step 7. Record daily activities. Simply write about your important events, accomplishments, and observations throughout the day. Don't try to write a perfect, polished entry. Just focus on capturing your thoughts as they occur. It's okay if it's messy or unstructured. The goal is to get your thoughts down on paper, or in this case, into Obsidian. It's crucial to track your tasks. Step 8. Add checklists for tasks you want to complete. Use Obsidian's checklist feature to create a list of tasks you need to accomplish. As you complete each task, mark it as done, and you'll see your progress visually represented. This provides an excellent overview of your productivity and keeps you on track. Throughout the day, you'll undoubtedly have ideas. Step 9. Capture ideas as they occur. Use the Daily Notes note to record any ideas you have, no matter how fleeting. You can always expand on these ideas later, linking them to other notes in your Obsidian vault. Capturing these ideas helps build connections between your thoughts and prevent them from fading away. To maximize the value of your journal, let's connect it to your other information. Step 10. Add links to related notes. Connect your journal entries to projects, people, or research notes. This is where Obsidian really shines. Linking related notes helps you build a rich network of knowledge and see connections you might otherwise miss. This strengthens your understanding and provides a more holistic view of your work and life. Let's refine our entries with tags. Step 11. Use tags. Add tags such as hash journal, hash reflection, and hash ideas. Tags are searchable keywords that you can use to categorize and organize your notes. They're incredibly useful for quickly finding all your journal entries related to a specific topic. Experiment with different tags to see what works best for you. Now let's ensure everything is clear. Step 12. Review completed tasks. Mark finished tasks as complete. This visually confirms your accomplishments and provides a sense of satisfaction. It's a simple yet powerful way to track your progress and boost motivation. Don't just record, reflect. Step 13. Write an end-of-day reflection. Summarize the lessons you learned and the key outcomes of your day. Taking a few moments to reflect on your day helps you process your experiences and make the most of them. It's a valuable habit for personal growth. To truly harness the power of your journal, revisit your entries. Step 14. Review previous entries. Periodically revisit your older journal notes. This helps you track your progress over time, identify patterns, and gain new insights. Regularly reviewing your journal is key to its ongoing value, so you've created a daily journaling system within Obsidian. Step 15. The final result. You have a daily journaling system that captures thoughts, tasks, ideas, and reflections in Obsidian. It's a powerful way to enhance self-awareness, boost productivity, and foster creativity. To recap, you've successfully set up a daily journaling system in Obsidian, creating a dedicated space for your thoughts and actions. This system will enable you to reflect on your day, track your progress, and capture valuable insights. For your next step, I recommend starting a daily review, spending just 5 to 10 minutes at the end of each day reflecting on your journal entry. And if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to save this video for future reference, as it's a valuable tool you can return to whenever you need to.